Hi boys and girls. This video is going to be introducing you to our sight words for the week. There are 7 of them, so here they are. The first one is the word draw. D-R-A-W, draw. It's a verb. I draw a picture. Now, the second one is very, very close to draw. It's the word drew. We use the word drew when we're talking about drawing in the past. We don't say I drawed a picture. We say I drew a picture. D-R-E-W, drew. Kind of going along with draw and drew, this is the word colors. C-O-L-O-R-S, colors. If I take the S away, it becomes singular, color, colors. We've used this word a lot. This is the word great. Great is an adjective. G-R-E-A-T, great. You can probably tell why great is a sight word. I hope you can spy, I spy eat. This isn't the word greet, great. That's why it's one of our rule breakers and goes on our word wall, because it doesn't follow that EA pattern that we've been talking about. Next we have show, S-H-O-W. Show. Now, show is a multi-meaning word. It could be a play, a noun, a show. I'm going to go see the show. But it can also be a verb. I want to show you something. So something that we do. So it's one of those multi-meaning words. Here we have over. O-V-E-R. Over can be 2 meanings as well. Kind of like a direction word. Okay? Reach over something. Or jump over something, but it can also mean when something's done. Oop, it's over. The show's all over. And our last one is the word sign. S-I-G-N, sign. This is a tricky one to sound out and spell. S-I-G-N, sign. Okay? So I'm going to help you today to learn the words a little bit more by filling in some sentences. Usually we do this on our big whiteboard, our board sentences, on our second day of learning. But since we can't do that, I brought the board to you. So you can see here we have our sight words: draw, drew, colors, over, great, sign, show. Can you say them with me? Draw, drew, colors, over, great, sign, show. So we're going to use these words to fill in our sentences. Okay? Move a little closer so you can see. So here's the first one. Each day I like to blank in art. There's some clue words there. I see that word art and something that we do in art. What are you thinking? I hope that you're thinking draw. Each day I like to draw in art. Okay? It's going to be really hard for me to write the word, so all I'm going to do to help us keep track of which words we've used is I'm going to draw a line through it. So we use the word draw for number 1. Number 2. Ted did a blank job on his picture. So think of what sight word would fit best. Ted did a blank job on his picture. Well, if you were thinking of the word great, ding, 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 you're the winner. You got it right. Nice job. Ted did a great job on his picture. Number 3. I can read the blank on the gate. So something that we can read. It's going to have to be a noun. Which one do you think? If you were thinking sign, correct. I can read the sign on the gate. Good job, boys and girls. Sign. All right, next one is number 4. Let's see if you can get this one. I think red and blue are the best blank. I think I hear some clue words in there giving us red and blue. And what are those? Those are colors. I think red and blue are the best colors. Colors will fit into number 4. Nice job. On to number 5. Can you blank us the way? It's a little more challenging. So we have drew, over, and show. Can you drew us the way? Can you over us the way? Can you show us the way? Oh, I think that show fits the best. Do you think that too? Nice job. Show. All right. Can you show us the way? Number 6. The frog jumps blank a rock. So we have our frog. We know frogs jump. What is it going to do to a rock? It's going to jump over a rock. Good job. The frog jumps over a rock. So the only word we have left is drew. Let's see if it makes sense in our last sentence, number 7. Last week, I drew in art. It makes sense, drew. We have some clue words here. That word last week. Remember, last week tells us this sentence happened in the past. So we can't use draw. It has to be our word drew. Last week, I drew in art class. Nice job, boys and girls. Each day, I like to draw in art. Ted did a great job on his picture. I can read the sign on the gate. I think red and blue are the best colors. Can you show us the way? The frog jumps over a rock. Last week, I drew in art. Nice job, boys and girls. So those 7 sight words, you're going to be seeing them this week in our story as well. Make sure that you review them. Make sure you know them pretty well. And enjoy.